Kids Creations. Welcome back to another video. Today we are creating Play Doh Fruits. Orange. Now let's create a cute little strawberry. Yum yum. Don't forget the little leaves at the top. Poke some holes in it with a fork to create this seed-like look. Strawberry. Can you guess what we're gonna make next? They're pink like a strawberry. If you guessed cherries, you are right. Bananas. Let's make some blue fruit next. Can you guess what we might make? Roll up 3 little blue balls and some leaves for them. Now to add the leaves to the blueberries. Blueberries. Last fruit we're making is a lemon. Lemon. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.